Top of the morning, man. Tuesday, May 27th. We had news at 8:30. We got another news event coming at 10 o'clock. I believe it's consumer sentiment. Consumer confidence at 10 o'clock. That's what I'm waiting on right now. I'm already in a trade taking ES up long from midnight. A breakdown of that trade ideal. I seen it on the 2 hour. Something I've been noticing. YM went below these candles. ES came down to the order block. NQ came to the gap. Didn't touch the order block. It's like a 3-2-1 thing I've been noticing. So when ES hit the order block, I end up getting in at midnight right here. And now we're just gonna see what happens. On the lower time frames, 5 minute time frame, I'm trying to see if we can take out these equal highs. If one of the indices can take out the equal highs, preferably ES, since that's the one I'm in. We're just gonna see what happens from there, man. If I got anybody in the chat, man, let me know how I sound. Let me know if my sound too loud, too low. Some type of feedback. Let me know how I sound. So far, we good. We up 10 points. 10 points on ES, 2 micros left. I started with 16 micros. Mm-hmm. And I took the trade on my Bullinox. My Bullinox accounts. And that's on Rhythmic. And I trade Rhythmic on my PC, so I can't show you the trade. What I'm looking for. Looking good so far. Keep pushing. Bless you, baby. Keep pushing, baby. You just stuck at 10 points right now. Good trade, D. Got out at the gap. Yeah, I saw it. It's 5 minute gap right up there. Yep. I think I threw that thing away. All right. Yeah, I got in midnight at I got in ES at midnight, so I'm still in. Mm-mm, mm-mm, that's crazy. Ooh. Yo, I was just saying, if you watch all three together, something I've been noticing is I took my trade off of I was looking at the 2 hour this morning. YM took the low. ES came to the order block, and NQ went to the gap, and then they turned around. That's one thing I've been noticing. One of them will take the high or low, the other one will go to an order block, and the other one will go to a gap, depending on which is the strongest and which is the weakest. And then they turn around. I've been noticing that a lot, so that's why I took it up. Yeah, based off my idea, what I entered from, I didn't feel the need to wait. I already knew what it was gonna do. Well, I ain't gonna say I knew what it was gonna do, but I've been noticing this a lot. Yeah, I'm still in it. Yeah.
Top of the morning, fellas. Top of the morning, bro. Top of the morning. Top of the effing morning. Should have switched this to the Apex, then reset. Oh, I got that. You should have switched it to gold. See, I don't be looking at that, and now I hate to go over there, and now I gotta start to adjust myself, cause I don't really know when those stops supposed to go in regards to leverage. Not saying
pushing,
bullshit like that, but I don't understand.
Pushing. Looking good. This is how I expect the trade to play out. Entry at midnight, stop below the lows. Target is a swing high previous to 8:30. What's
Jay, you still in it?
Yeah, I'm still in.
I said, get this motherfucker with my PA too. But
Shit, I didn't. It's a combine, man. I'm
pushing, man. Give me 100%. You in the call?
You swung Friday?
Ain't just do nothing. What was this?
This the call you swung from Friday? Jane? Oh, hold on. James, this the call you swung from Friday?
Yep.
All right, good shit. Where's Sean at?
AJ, I just did the same shit you be doing, bro. What that you say you do, folks?
Well, I heard you tried to close some of it and close the whole thing.
Yeah, but I mean, it was good that I did it because I caught some of the short. You know what I'm saying? I shorted it down to London lows. I wanted to take one off, but luckily it closed the whole thing. I only made $198, bro.
Yeah.
So now I'm in a motherfucking combine buying it up on another account. But I just didn't want to press the button on that account, bro. Like I made 198. I'm like, I don't even know if I want to do it.
Right.
I'm mad as hell though. Man.
And Q going for the highs. ES stalling.
But you looking at the 2 hour or the 1 hour?
Nah. I'm on all time frame, just scanning.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, you can go. London house. Seeing like that, and like I'm glad you said like this is what we really supposed to be looking at. You know what I'm saying? At least the 1 hour to like right when the market opens. That's when we'll really see like, all right, we should buy this bitch or something. Because we don't see that S&T off the higher time frame. It's a lot clearer than seeing the S&T on the 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? Like it's better to see the S&T on the higher time frame.
Yeah, that's something I'm gonna start doing every morning, man. Every morning when the market open, I'm going straight to the 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
Base everything off the 1 hour at 9:30.
Yeah, because we day traders.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I had to go back and watch time frame the bread and butter setup. You know what I'm saying? He's saying wait till after 9 and you gotta close the trade after it take this high because it's all time frame alignment. Like right now, once it take London highs, if you're not willing to hold for the whole day type shit, you almost gotta close it. Because you still need a 15-minute pullback. You know what I'm saying? Basically is what I'm saying. Like
What?
you still somebody who didn't take no trade yet and they waiting on the 15-minute chart, bro, because news happened, they waiting on the setup. So with us being in so early, down at these lows, whatever, you still need a 5-minute gap. It's basically what I'm saying, like to buy it up or whatever the case may be. So I'm saying I did take London highs. And somebody who trade the 5-minute chart, they waiting on the setup right now. They waiting for something on 5 minutes. If they don't go no lower than the 5s, they waiting on the setup themselves. And then the YM got a 15-minute bearish gap that it's trading into, which could be the reason that the other two pull back a little bit. I don't know. We have to basically see it. Yes, basically trading above 15-minute gap. GQ already broke structure.
Just sitting in the trade, just sitting here chilling, sitting in the trade, sitting in the trade over here chilling. Seeing if we're gonna take these highs.
Yeah, I had started before I took 2 off.
Man, I need a new account, man. Y'all talking about Tradeify and take. Last week, everybody was talking about take profit. I'm getting ready to get a take profit today, and then y'all talking about Tradeify.
Yeah, I seen Tradeify, and there's another one called the One. Some Trade One, some shit with one. They both pretty much the same.
I was gonna say they're both good. The only reason why I said Tradeify because I remember you said something about I don't know which prop firm you had, Jeremiah. You thought you were supposed to get a payout once you hit 26.
Oh, Bullet Knox, yeah, Bullet Knox.
Bullet Knox, yes. That's why I thought I'm like, oh, well, Tradeify might be your place to go because you can pull out as soon as you get 2600.
Shit.
You hit 1500, so I was like, you can went that route. That would work great. Because even with take profit, you got to go above 2000, and then whatever is above, that's when you pull out money.
Yeah, so either way, you got to have over 2,000. Right. But with take profit, you can take your money at 26, and then you can take your money the next day if you hit big. If you hit a good one. Exactly. 10 days? Yeah, shit, a lot can happen in 10 days. I don't know, man. I think I'm just going with take profit, man. But then I'm trying to decide, should I get a 25K or a 50K? Ralph got me thinking about the 25. She only got to make 1,500. So then I think you only got to be above 1,500 to get paid instead of $2,000.
No,
not yet. I'm still waiting. Still in it.
Yeah, ES way down
there. Yeah, I thought I should have took NQ. I just ain't I got in heavy and I ain't want no pullback. I started a trade with 15 micros. So I said I'm gonna do this with ES. Wish I wouldn't have been taking them off so soon. Let's see, I'm gonna
start with
15.
You did MES or you did ES?
MES micros. 15 micros. Caught a little bit, took off 5. Caught a little bit more, took off 5. Pushed a little more, took off 3. Now I'm down to my last one, just seeing what she gonna do.
I got 2 micros still, boy. You take one off at the high. And then leave the other one. I made some money on my PA on the short, but I didn't take it. Another trade and so that's the top step.
Keep pushing.
For the previous week high, and then that daily gap at 690. Y'all think it's trying to do that today?
NQ might.
But then here you go right here. If you look, well, we still got 45 minutes on this candle, so I ain't gonna say nothing.
There you go, little pop, nice little pop. Nice little pop, little nice little trade.
We closed above 58.98. You know it's going for like the highs on the 5 minute.
I should have did what I came in this thing doing. I said I was gonna, man, try to pass this bitch in one trade. I could have did it. Could have did it on this trade if I'd have loaded them up. I darn sure thought about it because I'm like, man, my target about 20 points away. I put 2 of them on it or 20 micros and just let it ride for 20 points. Pass it. All I need is $2,000 to pass. A little less than $2,000 to pass. Now we got the same. We got the opposite in reverse. NQ took the high. ES is at an order block. And all YM could do was go to the gap. Same thing I saw on the bottom is happening on the top right now. $59.09 is my target.
What's that, London highs?
Nah.
That's what we want. London highs. People highs up there. We're going to 5 minute. We want 12. We should.
Got to get to 9 before you get to 12.
Yeah.
So I ain't tripping.
What I'm going to say is, if we close, like I told you, in 5 minutes, we can close above 58.98. It's going to go there. That's your shift. That's your breaker. And my all them down candles, close above them in 5 minutes. It's going to push. That's your shift for the 1 hour. For the 1 hour gap.
We'll see what happens, bro.
And previous week highs, so bro, we good. Straight off. If we straighten up the 4 hour chart, we should get there. That should go to the 4 hour on the ES.
Ooh, still pushing, baby. Still pushing. Nice pop. Nice. 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 Took out a high before 8:30. Yep. Almost there. First equal highs is 59.04. That's the first ones. We just hit that. Can they keep going?
Keep pushing, man.
Keep pushing. Yes, sir. James, you in options, all right. I forgot. I know you don't even hold this long.
Bro, what y'all doing?
Here we go. Keep pushing. I'm mad I ain't go heavy, man. Should have went heavy. Could pass. We're done. PA locked in. Still pushing. Mm-mm. $30 points on ES is $150. $50 every 10 points.
You said how much is what, bro?
I was just looking. I'm up 30 points on ES. One micro, $150.
Okay, 30 points.
Hell yeah.
30 points. 150. Man, that bitch up a whole 100 points from out. Yeah. Hey, that's when I tell you guys, man. Look, take your big boy train, right? And you jump your ass right over to the micro and put one on that bitch, and then you close the big boy, you leave the micro. And now this is negative 0.5, 469 if it's going to be the whole move, and it is 71%, 79% retrace. I got previous week high, so maybe I want to try and get that today. Yeah, I'm gonna try and hold this trade for the whole 2 hours until lunchtime. It's only one micro left. So.
Almost at target. Damn, should I get up? Should I hold for the 2 hours? Let me see.
Hell yeah, look at it. Go to the 2 hour chart.
Let me see.
And look, 12 we look like this the real deal part, right? Like I told you. Somebody like my man waiting on the 15-minute chart. He waiting on the 15-minute field. Oh, that's the real part right there. It's like, do you want to deal with a pullback? Because on the 15-minute chart, we closed the glove down candles that took lower, so we shifted. We closed above 58.98. That's a 5-minute gap. So I don't know if I have to deal with it. If I have to pull back, maybe.
To each his own, man. I'm out. Whoa.
You said you closed it?
Yup. Yeah, I'm out.
You should have moved your stop, bro.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I don't know, my bad. You traded PA?
It's a combine, but still.
Mm-hmm. I had listened to the dude. He was saying that he don't close no trades. He just let the stop loss take the stop. Like he'll move the stop up. And he said he gonna try and milk this bitch for everything he can.
Yeah, bro, we done that before. Shit.
Yeah, definitely.
That just wasn't my plan today. Fuck that. Work your plan, man. That wasn't my plan today. Damn. $59.05. Got out at the body. See what happened. Mm-hmm. 59.56. One day this week. Man, all I got to say today is, man, the money came quick. Trade happened quick. I know later today I'm gonna set up an account to where I'll be trading on TradingView so I can do my trades on screen. I was gonna do it this morning or over the weekend, but I was undecided whether I wanted to do take profit or another prop firm, and then I wanted to see if I wanted to do a 25K account or a 50K account. So I'm gonna figure that out today, and tomorrow I'll be trading live on screen, on the screen that the viewers see. Look how they came 1 point from that, 1 point away. And that is the reason why I got out at the body instead of the wick, just in case they try to play. Getting out of the body is still a target, a good target. Instead of waiting on them target I wanted, but hey, 4 points, 1 micro ain't gonna make that much of a difference. So I'm out. I think I might be done for the day. I might shut down the stream right here. First trade of the day played out from midnight, taking out highs before 8:30. That was these. This was the 8:30 play, the setup, enter long, take out highs before 8:30. That's these right here. That's the textbook play. Everything up here is extra. Yeah, so that's it for the day, man. I'm finna get to work. Get to work, do some reviewing, prep for tomorrow so we can have a great stream. Trade live on the MacBook, trade live on TradingView. And we got news all week, so we're gonna get money all week. I'm going live all week, man. No days off this week. 9:45 tomorrow. Maybe since I caught the trade earlier, I usually like to wait to 9:45 so we can be on here together waiting until 10. But tomorrow I get on right ahead of the open. So if I see anything at 9:30, we can trade that on the screen. If you have any questions, we can go over all that. Yep, that's it for the day, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Catch you tomorrow.